So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and now you want to expand software, and now you want to expand policies, and now you want to expand Microsoft, and now we're going to expand Windows. Now we're going to click on the system folder, and now this should appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. We should now be in the system folder. And now once you're on this, you want to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on deal with fade split value. We're going to call this allow domain pin logon. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercases I did, and then click on enter. And now once you have this allow domain pin logon, you want to double click on it. Now once you're on this, in this box right here, you want to type in the number 1. So make sure that under value data, you have the number 1, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.